All right, let's talk about automated revenue leak detection, Batman style. Here's the scary part. Most companies don't lose deals. They leak revenue. A lead waits too long. A follow-up never happens. A deal gets stuck. A proposal is forgotten. A buyer loses urgency. It's like Batman letting Gotham flood through unchecked cracks. Small gaps, huge damage, but AI changes everything. With Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai, your entire revenue engine is monitored automatically. Build stunning dashboards with Moksy in minutes without any coding skills, and it's free. AI detects slow responses, stalled deals, misrouted leads, pricing errors, and missed actions, then triggers fixes instantly. Revenue stops leaking, momentum returns, growth becomes predictable. So ask yourself, are you losing deals or bleeding them silently?